What's up everyone? I am sorry for the few days off. I have been sick with a head cold and 102-degree fever, which sucks because I'm going on a 3-month Africa trip starting in 2 days. I'm going to Eritrea in 2 days, but I am now on the road to recovery, which is great, and I think I'll be perfect by the time I arrive in Eritrea. In today's video, I want to show you what I am bringing in my bag, and because I don't have the energy to edit a full video, it's just going to be completely raw, me talking into the camera, showing you what I'm bringing on my trip. I'll be gone for 3 months. I'm going to about 18 countries to finish off Africa and the Middle Eastern region. This is a general overview of all the clothes I'm bringing. 1 pair of khaki shorts, 1 pair of basketball shorts, 1 little sweater, 4 shirts, 4 pairs of underwear, 4 pairs of socks, and 1 pair of pants. That is all that I'm bringing as far as clothes go. Any trip you take, you always want to avoid seeing a foreign doctor. You want to avoid going to hospitals because it's just a nightmare all around. So I carry like a pharmacy with me. This is doxycycline. This is malaria medicine. I've never taken it before. It's my first time. So I have 1 pill for every day, about 100 pills. This is azithromycin, or Z-Pak for short. And it's just good in case you get any virus or any sort of infection. You take this and it'll make you feel better. This is bug spray DEET. I have about 5 of these. So gonna get those mosquitoes away. And this is my little bag which has everything inside. Let's open it up. So I got all kinds of medicine in here. Sunscreen for the face and for the body. A microfiber towel which dries instantly. Toiletries are pretty basic. I got this thing hanging. Face wash, toothpaste, toothbrush, dental floss, electric shaver, tweezers. That's pretty much it. I gotta throw my deodorant in there, this one, and then I'm good to go. I'm not gonna need this razor because I am not shaving on this trip. Well, I'm gonna shave later today and then I'm gonna let the beard grow out naturally. That's how we do it. Almost forgot, always have a hat too for sun protection. Alright, so this is the main bag. It's an Osprey 40-liter Porter series. Had it for about 3 years now and it has done me very, very well. Inside, all my clothes go here. I got some stuff in the side pockets here, like a extra bag, an extra mic, and a headlight right here. And on this side, poncho and extra ND filter. In this top pocket, got a bunch of random stuff. Deodorant, tape, toothpaste, locks. These are things that I always find useful on the road. In this front pocket is where I usually keep all my collections, like flags, currencies, maps, stuff like that. Alright, so the clothes are now inside. And then on the back of my bag, I always keep this part locked with combination code. Because here I have all my important docs. So this is basically visas, airplane tickets, hotel reservations, my yellow fever card, passport copies, anything that I might need to keep a nice paper I have here. And then in this zipper I have like my safe where I have different currencies but also a lot of US cash, my SIM cards, and any other valuable information. So basically with packing, what I've come to learn is less is more. So when I first started traveling like 3 years ago, I probably had triple the amount of stuff that I had now in a big backpack, but now I just realized you don't need that much. You know, I'm very basic, I keep my things very slim. I do laundry once or twice a week and it's not that big of a deal. I've never had an issue finding a laundry machine, or most hotels, they have a laundry service so you can just pay, I don't know, $5 and then they'll wash it for you. So the big bag is done and now all of this stuff here on the bed goes into the smaller bag, which is made by a brand called Lowpro. Had it for only about 6 months, but it's really great. A small bag, I have all the necessities, easily accessible stuff. So pens, Claritin, Tylenol, sunglasses, wet wipes. Wet wipes are so crucial on the road. And then hand sanitizer, of course, always wash your hands. Doodle, hi. Say hi, buddy. Hi. And this is really all of my camera gear. So you can see these separators, which move out, and I can put all of these things however I want them to fit. So basically, once again, all my valuable stuff is in this small bag, and all the clothes and random stuff are in that bag. I have 4 4TB drives with me, so 16 terabytes of footage. I carry every piece of content I've ever taken my whole life with me in case I need to reference back to it. And this is a 1TB drive, which I just use my current projects on, and it's really lightweight, so it's easy to edit with. Here's my main tripod, but in Africa it's not easy to use it, so I have my backup tripod here. This pocket, I just got extra Ziploc bags because they're always handy. And in here, we got extra medicine. Tripod, but in Africa it's not easy to use it, so I have my backup tripod here. My drone, which is a DJI Air. My computer, MacBook Pro 13-inch. Then I have a backup Canon camera here, point and shoot. I have an Osmo Pocket. I have the GoPro 7, which I'm going to be using a lot on this trip with a selfie stick. This is it's just a charger thing. You plug it into the wall and then you have 5 USB slots to charge. And this charges my computer. It's a massive power bank. It charges my computer twice fully through, and it charges like my phone 10 times. It's awesome. And this in here is all my extra camera batteries and stuff. These are outlet converters, 2 of them. This is a lav mic, extra stuff there. So now the small bag is packed, everything is inside. This is where my camera goes, and everything fits nice and snug and is very protected. So this one is all the valuable stuff. So the way I do it is I have my big pack on my back and my smaller valuable one up front. So it's just like that. So when I walk around airports, when I walk around everywhere, I have everything like this. And I think it's a pretty good system. I've been doing it for years. As I said, all my valuables are here, and so if I ever get robbed or mugged, let's say a taxi driver wants to kidnap me or he takes me somewhere, I'll just give him my big bag and I'll jump out the car with my small one. This one I can run full speed with. So that's sort of my theory. This bag never ever leaves my side. It's always with me, even in hotels, whatever. If you are American, did you know that you can get 2 valid passports which both work, and it has double the pages, so it makes your travel life a lot easier on the road. If I didn't have 2 passports, if I only had one the whole time, it would probably take me another year to finish the countries because I'd have to apply for visas in neighboring countries. I wouldn't be able to have the luxury of getting 2 visas at once. Alright guys, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I apologize for the lack of creativity or lack of a good videos because I'm really not feeling well. I need to get some rest before heading out to Africa in a couple days. But now you know what I have with me. Please share below your comments and thoughts on what you guys pack. If you have any extra tips, I'd love to hear it. And I will see you guys in 48 hours from the country of Eritrea.